Hi everyone and welcome to my tutorial of getting Loom working for you guys. Um, in my previous video I already showed you how to install Loom on your Chrome browser, and it lives up here. You get this Loom icon, and going over you click on and it loads for you, gives you this uh, options where you see whether you're going to do a screen plus cam, full desktop, or just the current tab, screen only or cam only. So my favorite thing is to add, of course, this screen plus cam. Microphone audio showing that it can record, and then it would start recording. Now, start recording, there's a one minor tip. What you have to do is that I want you to focus here on where you see this round, um, beautiful webcam that you can move around and you can resize it back to normal. Now, here we also have a menu where we can cancel the ongoing recording, we can resume or pause and resume, and then we can start the recording. Now, so with this one and this one, we can look at both here. What's really important is that when you click start recording, you have a 3-second countdown, but that countdown isn't immediate. So what you have to do is you have to kind of keep your eye on the resume button here, and when you see that activated, that's when you start talking. If you start talking right when that click goes off, you lose your first sentence and it's not recorded. So clicking on start recording, and then what we have to do is we have to select which area are we recording. It gives us this countdown, and now look at here, this needs to go boom, and now it has started. um, Within Loom you can use it to show presentations and explain things on a grid, and you can use various highlights and create this kind of on the go. Thanks for watching. I hope this gets you try out Loom.